This is a case of carpal tunnel syndrome. Carpal tunnel syndrome is caused by the entrapment of the median nerve underneath the transverse carpal ligament. So the patient was having the complaint of unable to hold the fingers, numbness, paresthesia and the pain. There are lots of causes of the carpal tunnel syndrome like injury, diabetic, ankylosing spondylitis, rheumatoid arthritis, any ganglion or any surgical or anatomical variations. So there are many methods to relieve the carpal tunnel syndrome while physiotherapy, released by the surgeries, and today we are going to do with the this is the 80 mg Kenacort with the help of steroid. Today we will try to relieve the edema around the median nerve, and this is more or less effective in 80 to 90% of the patients. So here we can say this is the distal palmar creech, this is transverse carpal ligament, and this is palmaris longus ligament, and this is FCR, flexor carpi radialis ligament. So the injection site will be, we can have the two approach for this injection. It can be the ulnar side and it can be in between the two tendons, FCR and palmaris longus. So this is the palmaris longus and intersecting point of the palmaris longus and the distal palmar creech. So from this point 1 centimeter paroxysmal and 1 centimeter medial side. So ideally this will be the point. This is 1 centimeter proximal and 1 centimeter to the ulnar side, and this is approximately, another point is the 3 to 4 centimeter from the distal palmar creech and in between the FCR and palmaris longus. So it would be around here. So these are the 2 points. Now we are going to injecting and the direction of the needle will be base of the thumb and around 45 degree. Entry point will be around the 45 degree. If patient is having any pain, severe pain, paresthesia, then we need to retrieve our needle. माजी ज़्यादा दर्द हो तो बताना. Now we are injecting. We can inject 40, 60 or 80 milligram of the Kenacort. And additionally,